What's Fizzy Foods? Today I'm here with my little friend Snappy, the Snappy Turtle, and we're trying out some spicy crickets. We rescued Snappy from our pool over there, and we're going to release him into the lake. He's about an inch tall, and he's super duper tiny. So hopefully he can be safe. So these are the crickets. They're by EXO. They're whole roasted crickets. And it has sriracha. I'm gonna try to open. Oh yeah. Look at this. So, let me see if he wants one. Probably not, but he has one. So, this is the cricket. That's him with the cricket. He looks so cute. So, I'm gonna try it. This is really good. Oh, it's spicy. You're not a fan of spicy foods, my friend? Okay. He's not a fan of spicy foods. So, they don't necessarily are really hot, but they have a little kick to them. So these are naturally tasty. They're only 70 calories. And these are real crickets, so they're edible. So we're going to release our friend Snappy back to where he belongs. Okay, so little Snappy's right here. I don't think he's gonna fit right here. So put him in here. Bye, Snappy. Like and subscribe and stay fizzy.